Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. Disconnect the sensor by pressing the back tab down and pulling backwards. Remove the bolt securing the bar using a 10mm socket. Move the bar out of the way of the air filter housing. There are 4 screws securing the housing. Use an 8mm or 5/16 socket or a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the screws securing the filter housing. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Install your new AF1519 filter into the housing. Reinstall the housing. Reinstall the bolts. Reinstall the bar. Reinstall the bolt. Reinstall the sensor clip. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.